Here's a little carrot that I thought was gonna be bigger. It's tiny. These are all carrots. The second graders planted. Some strawberries. They actually look pretty good. Anything a little mushy. But yeah, strawberries and carrots all over this one. Can't believe how many. Tomatoes looking good. I don't see any flowers yet. As we know, the flower is what's gonna grow into the fruit. Oh, there's one. That will be a tomato one day, hopefully. Strawberries doing good. Strawberries. Sunflowers, got a lot of sunflowers. Can't remember who planted this. I think it was Bailey or Mateo planted in art, and then I moved out here and look how big it got. There's another flower coming in. Some other stuff that was planted in art. Lettuce. Nice sad little basil. It's not doing so good. Looks like it got ripped up. I think a woodchuck ate it or something. Some more strawberries. Rosemary smells really good. Oh, look. Little baby tomatoes. Maybe some more, hopefully. Dig box that no one digs in anymore. Last time I was here, I ripped out a whole bunch of stuff because I was getting really overwhelmed. Like these sunflowers were not growing, and now look how good they look. Got some lettuce. Yeah, this area was getting really overgrown. Cleaned it out good. A lot of the other plants that weren't growing before are doing really good. This, I think, came from Miss Idiondo's classroom. Here's a funny looking radish I pulled out. Some more. All that stem and funny little fruit part. Yeah, got some purple cabbage. Some other things growing. Will hopefully do better now that it's all cleaned out. A ton of lettuce. So much I could barely eat all of it. Ooh, but these will be some big carrots. Hopefully we'll see that soon. These giant sunflowers. Some little ones that maybe I'll move because they're taking each other's sunlight. Kale doing good as always. Basil, some more, not doing good. This funny sunflower that can't just grow straight. It's always going a different way when I come. I cleaned out this one too because there's a lot of this. It wasn't letting our broccoli grow. Hopefully will turn into real broccoli soon. A little broccoli in there. You see it? I don't know what these are, but it's a pretty flower. Maybe it's a weed. I'm gonna leave it because it's pretty. Now I'm just gonna trim everything. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a giant radish. Look how big that is. So yeah, I'm gonna weed, trim everything. The spinach looks amazing. Shout out to Mimi. Our tulips looking pretty good. Just popping up with the spinach friends. There was one, but I think whatever animal sees it eats the pretty top off, but who knows, maybe it'll grow back. Lots of spinach smoothies though for me. Look at this giant spinach leaf. One whole smoothie maybe. This whole bag of lettuce, and then I'm adding some kale that I'm chopping. You can see I already cut a good amount off, but it just keeps growing back. There's even a little one. Must have dried up and started a new one over here. Yeah, I've been putting these in my smoothies. Saving the basil because it's not doing good at the garden. So I'm gonna take it home, take care of it. Hopefully it will do better. Full bag of kale and spinach. Giant bag of lettuce. And there's still so much left in there. Gonna water the garden, even though it's probably gonna rain anyway. It's my garden day. Homemade oat milk. And I added kale, spinach, and lettuce from the garden that I picked yesterday. Pretty good.